guys, it's Jason, and we're back with another unboxing video. It's been a while. I haven't had any new packages come in because I had to take a break from buying stuff. I spent so much money that I put a gigantic dent into my bank account, and it's still kind of noticeable. Like, it's really noticeable. I have to sort of put a limit on how much I can spend and what to spend on. So yeah. But anyways, there are videos going up on my channel. I'm getting around to editing the older videos that I made during winter break and the days after that. If you guys want to watch some newer stuff, you know, stuff that I haven't uploaded yet, they're going to be up soon, so you'll have plenty of content to watch. Today we are finally back. We have a package that arrived. It was supposed to arrive on Monday, but I think there was a snowstorm a couple days prior, and I guess it messed up with the whole delivery system, so a little bit of a delay. So what are you gonna do, right? You gotta work with it. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right into it. So this is a single item package. I think tomorrow there's gonna be more stuff coming in, so we're gonna finally get around to making more of these videos. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on some of the older videos, so that way I know that you guys are digging the videos. I try to put as much work as I can into them because, you know, I gotta hold your guys' attention span. I know you guys have other things to do in life and you may not want to watch these videos, but you know, I gotta grab some of your time, you know what I mean? I work way too hard. So this package came from Kommando Store, which is yet another military surplus store. They specialize in a lot of European surplus that Americana Pipe Dream is just starting to get around to doing. They usually tend to do like more niche type of stuff. Like, they're not like a huge military surplus store like other ones that I've bought from, you know, like they are. Americana Pipe Dream is more like an outdoorsy type of store, you know. This is from Kommando Store. I'm definitely going to be buying a lot more stuff from here in the coming future days, weeks. I have no idea how to phrase that, but anyways, I'm tired. Let's get through this. Oh, I do want to add that I am going to be putting out some of my other types of videos, including lyric videos and edits. I think I do have an edit out right now, so you guys should definitely check out my other videos. Will I ever get around to doing gaming vids? I'm not sure. I might. I don't know. Depends on how I feel. I haven't done one in years. If you guys want me to do one again, I'll definitely do one again. I just have to figure out how I'm gonna go about doing it. So what do we have today? Taking out. We have a field shirt from backwards. We have a field shirt from Austria. It's an Austrian M75. I don't even know if you can see it because the lighting's kind of awful here, but it's an Austrian M75 heavyweight field shirt, which is definitely something I wanted. Austria is one of those countries, it's very peculiar in the way that they go about making their uniforms. They're still one of those countries that don't really have an official camouflage. As of late, like as of very recently, they just finally got around to putting out a camo scheme, but for the longest time they just did the whole olive green thing. It's not, you know, it's not too out there. It's, you know, pretty plain. Like, you can pretty much like mistaken it for like your average, I don't know, plaid shirt, your plaid button-up shirt. So we're gonna try this on right now. I ordered this in large. I don't know what the length was. I wanted it in a longer length, but they ran out, so we're gonna see how this fits. And as per usual, I keep forgetting that I have to button the collar, which is annoying. I forget what the current Austrian camo scheme is called. It's a very specific Austrian German type of name, so I don't even want to try to pronounce it. I don't speak German, so you guys can go and look that up on Google. It's a very specific type of pattern. I don't know if it's digital or if it's just like a sort of derivative of Flecktarn. They have used Flecktarn for their special forces, but other than that, they've kind of just stuck with the OD green of yesteryear. And considering that Austria isn't going to war with anyone anytime soon because they're a neutral country, you know, it's like, why would they need any type of camouflage? The only time Austria is using camouflage is if they're sending their special forces over to do some quote-unquote humanitarian aid. Again, nothing super special. It's pretty much very basic, very plain, OD green. It serves as a reminder of the Cold War era days. That was when a lot of countries were just using the OD green, and then every Warsaw Pact country was using that ugly rain camo scheme. And it wasn't even camo in the sense that it was just technically a pattern designed to fool first generation night vision devices. While at least the OD green had some, like, you know, at least it did a better job at trying to conceal the wearer. In conclusion, this is the Austrian M75 heavyweight field shirt. It's not really a jacket per se. It's very similar to the Czech VZ95 Leaf field shirt that I have, except this one's a little bit heavier. It's not as flimsy as that one. It's also not as flimsy as the Romanian M90 field shirt, which is in the basket right now because it needs to be washed because I wore it like a bunch of times. Yeah, it's very basic. Like, the only thing you can tell that'll probably give away its like military sort of setup is the little name tag you can put right here, and then the patch right here. I don't even know if you can see it because again my lighting is awful, but it says, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it because I don't speak German. Overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. It fits rather nicely. It's not as flimsy or, you know, thin as the Czech VZ95 Leaf field shirt. It's not as stiff as the Romanian M1990 field shirt, but that's because that one was like super old. This one's old too, but it's surprisingly a lot better than even the Romanian one. This is pretty much the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Comment down below what you think about the Austrian M75 heavyweight field shirt. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and before I go, again, don't forget to check out some of the previous videos that I'm uploading. I'm getting around to editing the older unboxing videos that I've already recorded. It's taking me a while, but I'm trying to get through it all. It's a lot. You guys are just gonna have to wait. Until then, just watch whatever is up. I don't even remember. I'm just like uploading as much as I possibly can, so that way there isn't that much of a delay. This is pretty much the video. I'll see you guys later.
Black heart, way up time. She said, I'm the only one. Feel the sorrow in my lungs, cause she left me like nah. Why my black heart, way up time. She said, I'm the only one. Feel the sorrow in my lungs, cause she left me